Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake at home without fresh cream. We'll start by exploring excellent dairy substitutes that provide that signature creamy texture. You'll learn how to achieve a rich, satisfying flavor using readily available ingredients. Plus, I'll share simple techniques to ensure your batter is perfectly smooth and consistent every time, leading to a delightful dessert. First, let's prepare the crust. Combine 1 1/2 cups of crushed biscuits with 1/4 cup of melted butter, then press it into your pan. For the filling, beat 24 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1 cup of sugar until smooth. Gradually add 3 large eggs, mixing just until combined. Now, gently fold in your chosen cream substitute to achieve that desired velvety texture. Baking correctly is key for a perfect cheesecake. Place your pan in a water bath and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 70 minutes, until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Turn off the oven and let it cool slowly with the door ajar for 1 hour. Finally, chill the cheesecake for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, before serving. Now for the fun part, customizing your cheesecake. Enhance the flavor by adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or some fresh lemon zest to the batter. For delicious variations, swirl in fruit purees like raspberry or a rich chocolate ganache before baking. When serving, garnish with fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a light dusting of cocoa powder for an elegant finish. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.